Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix DNS probe finished NXDOMAIN problem on Google Chrome in Windows 11. In the first step, go to search bar and type settings. Click here to open it. Now go to network and internet. Then click on advanced network settings. Click on network reset and just reset now. Okay. Now close this window. Again go to search bar and type settings. Click here to open it. Again go to network and internet, then select Ethernet and just select DNS Server Assignment. Select to manual, turn on IPv4 and set these DNS addresses 8844. Select this option and then click on set. Okay. Now close this window. Again go to search bar and select settings. Go to network and internet. Select Proxy. Click on edit and you need to turn off this option. That's it guys, you're good to go.